A judge has ruled that Colonial Heights Rehab and Nursing Center did not have authority to challenge the police search warrants and seizures that occurred at the facility in connection to an elder abuse investigation. As we previously reported, the nursing home filed a civil motion in court that sought to invalidate law enforcement search warrants and get its seized property back. Those searches happened last year after police allege an elderly resident received inadequate care that led to severe wounds and ultimately her death. The investigation resulted in prosecutors criminally charging 18 employees back in December 2024. Most of those charges have since been dropped as prosecutors say their investigation continues. But lawyers with McGuire Woods, who represent the facility, argued that police never had probable cause to obtain two search warrants and failed to verify the alleged victim as a credible source of information. They further claimed that the warrants were overly broad in scope, that many of the seized items had no relation to the alleged criminal conduct, and that police failed to show one of the warrants to staff at the facility. They argued that the seizures of property, including patient records and data, caused an incredible disruption to the nursing home's operations, and therefore, it wanted its stuff back. However, when the motion was filed, CBS 6 legal analyst Todd Stone pointed to a unique fact about this case.
Usually, when someone files a motion to suppress the evidence or to affect the search warrant, it's a criminal defendant. Here, you're talking about the nursing care facility, and they are not charged in the criminal action, so there's really no case involving them at this point.
And Judge Stephen Novy took a similar position. In his ruling, he writes Colonial Heights Rehabilitation and Nursing Center does not possess standing to contest the search and seizure of its property under the law at this time, as it has not been charged with a criminal offense. Should it be charged with a crime, it may then seek the relief. We should note that Judge Novy did not opine on the substance of the facility's arguments. Commonwealth's attorney Greg Collins, who disputed the nursing home's allegations in court, tells me, "I appreciate the professionalism from opposing counsel and Judge Novy's thoughtful deliberation and decision. I requested a response from the McGuire Woods lawyers and have not yet heard back." Meanwhile, prosecutors are still waiting for a special grand jury to be impaneled to investigate alleged expansive and complex crimes at the facility. Prosecutors say they're now aware of escalating allegations spanning multiple victims and multiple employees. According to their petition, the alleged criminal activity includes abuse and neglect, falsifying documents, stealing medication, potential money laundering, and potential Medicaid and Medicare fraud. A facility spokesperson previously dismissed the request for a special grand jury as a legal matter that was highly sensationalized. There's been no word yet on when jurors will begin convening, and it could take up to 6 months or longer for their investigation to be complete. I'm Tyler Lane for CBS 6 News.